Assalamu alaikum, dear teachers. First of all, I would like to thanks from depth of my heart to all the most respected and most hardworking teachers, Ma'am Nushaba, Ma'am Kuratul Ain, and Madam Sayyada Rehana Zia. Well, this is me Nazish Sattar from MSc final year. I'm here to present my topic, that is analysis of commercial sodium carbonate, which is also known as washing soda or soda ash. Let's start introduction. Commercial sodium carbonate contains impurity of sodium bicarbonate. The percent purity of commercial sodium carbonate can be determined by volumetric analysis or titrimetric analysis, which involves acid-base reaction or neutralization reaction. This experiment involves two major steps. Number 1. A known volume of sample solution is titrated against standard HCl solution using phenolphthalein as an indicator to find out the volume of standard HCl solution consumed to neutralized sodium carbonate into sodium bicarbonate and sodium chloride. In second step, a known volume of sample solution is titrated against standard HCl solution using methyl orange as an indicator to find out the volume of standard HCl solution consumed to neutralized sodium carbonate and impurity of sodium bicarbonate into sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. The subtraction of the trace volume of a standard HCl solution obtained in first step from the volume of standard HCl solution consumed in second step corresponds the volume of a standard HCl solution consumed against impurity of sodium bicarbonate. Procedure. This picture showing the procedure of standardization of HCl solution. First of all, dry anhydrous pure sodium carbonate in oven at 160 degrees Celsius for half an hour and then cool in a desiccator up to room temperature. Calculate the weight of dried anhydrous pure sodium carbonate to prepare its 0.1 molar standard solution in 250 ml volumetric flask. How to prepare? Now, weigh up to 4 decimal places of dried anhydrous pure sodium carbonate accurately in a vial. Transfer to a 250 ml volumetric flask, dissolve in distilled water and make the volume of the solution up to the mark with distilled water. Now calculate the molarity of stock concentrated HCl solution using its percentage and specific gravity as given on the bottle. Now calculate the volume of stock concentrated HCl solution to prepare about 250 ml of about 0.1 molar HCl solution in a beaker. How to prepare? Transfer the calculated volume of stock concentrated HCl solution to a beaker with a measuring cylinder and make the volume of the solution up to about 250 ml with distilled water. Rinse and fill the burette with prepared HCl solution. Now transfer 10 or 25 ml of standard sodium carbonate solution to a conical flask with a pipette and about 50 ml distilled water and 1 or 2 drops of indicator to it and titrate the content of the conical flask against HCl solution and note the final burette reading. Repeat this step until concordant reading obtained and calculate the molarity of prepared solution. This picture showing the analysis of sample of commercial sodium carbonate. First of all, weigh accurately 1.5 to 1.6 gram up to 4 decimal places of sample of commercial sodium carbonate in a sample vial. Transfer to a 250 ml volumetric flask, dissolve in distilled water and make the volume of the solution up to the mark with distilled water. Second, transfer 10 or 25 ml of sample solution of commercial sodium carbonate to a conical flask with a pipette and about 50 ml distilled water and 1 or 2 drops of phenolphthalein as an indicator to it, and titrate the content of the conical flask against standard HCl solution until pink solution present in the conical flask turns colorless. Note the burette reading. Now repeat this step with methyl orange as an indicator and obtained concordant readings for both. This is chemical equations which we obtained in our procedure. Number 1, standardization of HCl solution using phenolphthalein and methyl orange indicator. Reaction of sodium carbonate with HCl in the presence of phenolphthalein indicator. And the third equation is reaction of sodium carbonate with HCl in the presence of methyl orange indicator. The second last equation is the reaction of sodium bicarbonate with HCl in the presence of methyl orange indicator. And the last equation, which is net equation by adding equation number 3 and 4. This is the observations which we obtained from our procedure. This is readings which we obtained from the standardization of HCl solution, in which volume of standard sodium carbonate solution is equals to 10 ml. The second table is the analysis of sample of commercial sodium carbonate, in which determination of volume of standard HCl solution consumed against sodium carbonate only present in sample solution. And the third table reading is the determination of total volume of standard HCl solution consumed against sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate present in sample solution, in which methyl orange is used as an indicator. Now comes toward the calculations. Determination of weight of pure anhydrous sodium carbonate to prepare its 0.1 molar standard solution. Weight of pure anhydrous sodium carbonate is equals to molarity multiplied by molar mass multiplied by volume divided by 1000, which is the formula to find out the weight of pure anhydrous sodium carbonate, which is 2.6448 gram per 250 ml. Now, the determination of molarity of a standard sodium carbonate solution. There is a formula. Molarity of a standard sodium carbonate solution is equals to weight of sodium carbonate multiplied by 1000 and divided by molar mass multiplied by volume, which is 0.0984 molar. Now, the determination of concentration of stock concentrated HCl solution from method 1. According to volume-volume relationship, 100 ml stock concentrated HCl solution contains 37 ml HCl, and the specific gravity is equals to mass divided by volume. So the mass of HCl is equals to specific gravity multiplied by volume, which is 43.66 gram. Now find out the number of moles. So the number of mole is equals to mass divided by molar mass, which is 1.1962 mole. If 100 ml stock concentrated HCl solution contains 1.1962 mole of HCl, so 1 ml stock concentrated HCl solution contains 1.1962 divided by 100. And the 1000 ml stock concentrated HCl solution contains 1.1962 multiplied by 1000 and divided by 100. So the concentration of a stock concentrated HCl solution is equals to 11.962 molar. Here is also method 2, which is also very easy to determine the molarity of stock concentrated HCl solution by using a formula, which is percentage multiplied by specific gravity multiplied by 10 and divided by molar mass. So the concentration of stock concentrated HCl solution is equals to 11.962 molar from method 2. Determination of volume of stock concentrated HCl solution. To prepare it's about 0.1 molar HCl. The concentration of a stock concentrated HCl solution, it means C1, is equals to 11.962 molar. And the concentration of diluted HCl solution is about 0.1 molar, and the volume of diluted HCl solution is about 500 ml. But the volume of stock concentrated HCl solution is unknown. Here we use dilution factor to find out the volume of stock concentrated HCl solution, and the volume of stock concentrated HCl solution by using the formula C1V1 is equals to C2V2. The volume of stock concentrated HCl solution is equals to 4.1799 ml, which is approximately 4.2 ml. Now this is the calculation of standardization of prepared HCl solution. If 1000 ml standard sodium carbonate solution contains 0.0996 mole of sodium carbonate, so 1 ml of standard sodium carbonate solution contains 0.0996 divided by 1000. And the 10.0 ml standard sodium carbonate solution contain 0.0996 multiplied by 10.0 divided by 1000, which is 9.9600 exponent minus 4 mole of sodium carbonate. Here we use a mole ratio. 1 mole of sodium carbonate is equals to the 1 mole of HCl in the presence of phenolphthalein. So the mole of HCl is equals to the mole of sodium carbonate, which is 9.9600 exponent minus 4. Now 12.5 ml HCl solution contain 9.9600 exponent minus 4 mole of HCl, which is equals to the mole of sodium carbonate. So the 1000 ml HCl solution contain 9.9600 exponent minus 4 multiplied by 1000 divided by 12.5, which is equals to 0.0796 mole of HCl. So the molarity of prepared standard HCl solution is equals to 0.0796 molar. This is the calculation of analysis of sample of commercial sodium carbonate. Determination of percent purity of commercial sodium carbonate. Determination of number of mole of sodium carbonate present in 250 ml sample solution. If 1000 ml of standard HCl solution contains 0.0796 mole of HCl, so 1 ml of standard HCl solution contains 0.0796 divided by 1000, and 14.0 ml of standard HCl solution contains 0.0796 multiplied by 14.0 and divided by 1000, which is equals to 1.1144 exponent minus 3 mole of HCl. Here we use mole ratio between HCl and sodium carbonate. 2 mole of HCl react with 1 mole of sodium carbonate. So the mole of sodium carbonate is equals to 5.5720 exponent minus 4. Now 10.0 ml of sample solution contains 5.5720 exponent minus 4 mole of sodium carbonate. So 1 ml of sample solution contains 5.5720 exponent minus 4 divided by 10.0 mole of sodium carbonate. And 250 ml of sample solution contains 5.5720 exponent minus 4 multiplied by 250.0 divided by 10.0, which is equals to the 0.0139 mole of sodium carbonate. So the number of mole of sodium carbonate present in sample solution is equals to 0.0139 mole per 250 ml. Now determination of weight of sodium carbonate present in 250 ml sample solution. Mass of sodium carbonate is equals to number of mole multiplied by molar mass. So the mass of sodium carbonate is 1.4733 gram per 250.0 ml. So the weight of sodium carbonate present in sample solution is equals to 1.4733 gram per 250.0 ml. Now the determination of percent purity of commercial sodium carbonate by using formula, which is weight of sodium carbonate multiplied by 100 and divided by weight of sample of commercial sodium carbonate. So the percent purity of commercial sodium carbonate is equals to 96.16%. Now determination of percentage of sodium bicarbonate, which is impurity in commercial sodium carbonate. Determination of volume of standard HCl solution consumed against sodium carbonate impurity present in sample solution. So the volume of standard HCl solution consumed against sodium bicarbonate impurity present in sample solution is equals to the total volume of standard HCl solution consumed against sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate using methyl orange indicator minus 2 times the volume of standard HCl solution consumed against sodium carbonate using phenolphthalein indicator. So the result is 14.5 ml minus 2 multiplied by 17.0 ml, which is equals to 0.5 ml. Determination of number of mole of sodium bicarbonate impurity present in 250 ml sample solution. If 1000 ml standard HCl solution contains 0.0796 mole of HCl, so 1 ml standard HCl solution contains 0.0796 divided by 1000, and the 0.5 ml, which is the volume of standard HCl solution consumed against sodium bicarbonate impurity present in sample solution, contains 0.0796 multiplied by 0.5 and divided by 1000, and the result is 3.9800 exponent minus 5 mole of HCl. Here we use mole ratio between HCl and sodium bicarbonate. So 1 mole of HCl react with 1 mole of sodium bicarbonate. So the mole of sodium bicarbonate is equals to the mole of HCl, and the mole of HCl is equals to 3.9800 exponent minus 5. Now 10 ml of sample solution contains 3.9800 exponent minus 5 mole of sodium bicarbonate. So 1 ml of sample solution contains 3.9800 exponent minus 5 divided by 10.0 mole of sodium bicarbonate, and 250 ml of sample solution contains 3.9800 exponent minus 5 multiplied by 250.0 and divided by 10, which is equals to 9.9500 exponent minus 4. So the number of mole of sodium bicarbonate present in sample solution is equals to 9.9500 exponent minus 5 mole per 250.0 ml. Now the determination of weight of sodium bicarbonate impurity which is present in 250 ml sample solution. Here we used formula number of mole multiplied by molar mass. So the weight of sodium bicarbonate, which is impurity in sample solution, is equals to 0.0835 gram per 250.0 ml. And the determination of percent impurity of sodium bicarbonate in commercial sodium carbonate by using formula weight of sodium bicarbonate multiplied by 100 and divided by weight of sample of commercial sodium carbonate, which is equals to 5.45%. So after the analysis of commercial sodium carbonate, the percent purity of the given sample of commercial sodium carbonate is found to be 96.16%. and the percent impurity of sodium bicarbonate in the given sample of commercial sodium carbonate is found to be 5.45%. Thank you.